it open. Pull it open.
I'm gonna block his toy because he's.
Pull it open. There you go. Pull.
Bless
Bless you.
We want
There.
some face pictures, not some back pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, open
Y'all
that
keep
thing.
turning them around.
I think I you wrap that one too hard.
It is kind. It's doubled, tripled.
Double.
Here.
You're doing good though.
There.
Thank you.
Now
You
this
got
one.
it, baby.
Thomas, a tank engine.
Brand.
Ooh.
Here, look
Oh,
in
we get
here.
comments for we like records.
Here, open that one. That one. Oh
Miss
boy.
Tomato? Yeah, there
Oh
you go.
boy.
You're doing really good.
Okay, we'll go for that in.
See, I like the
Throw 'em later.
paper. Paper's good. Paper's good.
There you go. Keep going, baby.
He's going after it, that's for sure.
Yay.
Come on, Ryan.
Keep it going.
Come on, Ryan.
This little sucker was what, like 3 or 4
Take it
different
down.
times.
Go take your.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3.
All right, Ryan, you're getting it now.
You got it. Keep going.
There you go. Keep ripping it.
Yay.
Yeah, keep ripping it, baby. There
You
you
got
go.
it. Yay.
Open the
Now.
box.
It's like, all right, I got it open. Now what y'all want me to do with it?
Here, you want
No,
to
that's fine.
open the
I'm
box?
using it.
Oh, you use it as a prop?
What's in there? Look in there. What's in there? Say a red paper. Here. No, look what's in here. Look at the red paper. Look.
That's what you're gonna get excited about right there.
Look at here. Look.
You got it. Oh, you got a Harley. Harley shirt or an outfit. Whatever.
It has a
Oh.
tag.
Yep. You got a Harley onesie.
Cool.
Wait, just pushing that away. Hey, you got a little box.
Look at there.
We'll keep
The
the
Harley
box,
Man.
okay? We'll keep the box.
Get a picture. The Harley Man. The Harley Man.
You covered him up, he moved.
Hey, Ryan.
Got
Got
that
another
one.
card here.
The
From,
Harley and
yeah,
the
got another
Thomas
card from
and
Papa back
Fred.
in Nana. Yeah. Yep, he saw his flashlight. He saw his flashlight.
It says what's not to love.
Alright, this
Go
one
open that other big bag full.
Daddy
Show
came,
Daddy.
honey.